This is y.
Y.
Y is a lip sound. We make it by pushing our lips forward and showing our teeth, but our teeth don't touch together. Y can stretch into other words like this.
Yeah. Yo. Yo.
Y likes to go into words like yogurt, yolk, and yellow. Y's favourite letter is letter Y. Y loves to go into letter Y, but only at the beginning of words. If letter Y is at the end of words, big sounds won't let Y go into it. But Y doesn't mind. It's quite happy only going into letter Y at the beginning of words.